Hello everyone, my name is Yulexys. I am with AContracting. When Step Media asked me to give my testimonial, I was like, yes, count me in. I love Step Media. They have been great. I have been working with them for, over 5 years now in various projects, but the main ones would be web design, web maintenance, and strategic digital marketing plans. So surrounded, for specific events. So Milton and his team have been great. They have been amazing. Anytime I need anything with the website, they're on top of it. They're very detail oriented and high communication skills. So I would highly recommend them. 5 stars all the way around. I know in particular, Milton and his team, they help me out with an event every year. It's an event, that we acquire about 30% of our clients from. So it's a very important event. And he always helps me with, landing pages for that particular event, retargeting and kind of like sending out that message to retain that client. So I am so grateful, for Milton, Step Media, and the whole team. So yes, highly recommend. 5 stars all the way around. He has my approval.